Psychologists have told us that man's biggest problem is an identity crisis, that many don't know who they are. And it's amazing in Christianity, there are many who don't know who they are. And that is why we want Rhapsody Realities to go all around the world, because Rhapsody reveals to you who you are in Christ. In many churches, we still sing that song, let the redeemed of the Lord say so. And so they call them the redeemed. But the Christian is more than the redeemed. Who is the Christian? Discover in today's Rhapsody Realities, and maybe discover the you have not known before now. Help me sponsor Rhapsody Realities and let someone else know about this wonderful truth that we have. Use the link below and click on the button and let us know how many copies you want to sponsor. Have a great day and God bless you.